everybody. I'm Rhea Samiano. I'm presenting for Filipino have hypertension. So, these are the fruits that she will eat to the blood pressure goes down. Watermelon.
Tapos kakainin niya yung watermelon.
Watermelon contains an amino acid called sertraline, and the body converts sertraline to arginine. Can lower high blood pressure. Banana also. Banana, the rich potassium of nutrients should to help lower blood pressure. And kiwi, daily serving of kiwi can reduce systolic blood pressure. Among another benefits, according to 2022. Tapos, grapes. These grapes also are great source of potassium, which is linked to lower blood pressure. And the last one is melon. The melon are excellent source of potassium and nutrients which most Americans do not get enough in their daily diets. American Heart Association say potassium helps lower blood pressure to this melons. And
So when do you consider a patient is hypertensive? Or how are you going to be diagnosed with hypertension? Ano ba yung normal na BP? And then ano ba yung not normal na BP?
normal, sir, is 120 to 80.
120 over
Over
80.
Over 80.
So when are you considered hypertensive?
130, 140 over 100, like that, sir.
Are you sure? Or did you make it up?
140, 160 over 103. 110.
So
100, like that.
the doctor will diagnose hypertensive patients not just by one BP. It has to be consistently high para ma-consider siya as hypertension.
Like,
Tapos may kasama na rin yung lifestyle, yung weight, yung smoking, yung mga alcohol. Okay? And then, so if you're a hypertensive patient, why is there no, dapat bang walang carbs at saka walang protein? Puro lang ba fruits dapat ang kinakain nila?
meron din po.
So, but why did you choose na fruits lang ang kakainin? Snacks lang ba to?
Opo, because for me is you give this one for me, sir, for fruits only. Filipino have
So, sa Pilipino may mga ganyan ba grapes, may mga melo. Available ba yan?
Oo naman po, sir.
Tapos ganyan ba tayo kumain ng mga Pilipino? Puro prutas lang? Kailangan may rice, di ba?
Opo.
Ha?
Walang rice. Okay, sir, that's it.
So, feedback, Miat, yeah. Good.
Very nice, excellent.
How about you, May?
In terms of the presentation, like the platings and all the place you use for the vegetable.
I agree.
Yeah, as a Filipino, we always need rice and
Thank you.
chicken.
As a Filipino kaya, Luz, ano kayang maaaring maibigay mo sa isang may alta presyon?
Alta-presyon.
Ano kayang food na good for Filipino na may hypertension? Low in cholesterol, pero Filipino-friendly siya.
I will give chicken.
Chicken, no? Especially the breast part.
Yeah.
It's very healthy. Tapos boiled or fish, yes.
Salmon.
Not so much of pork, not the high in
Filipino
cholesterol.
food like a fish and a chicken. So,
Or maybe sabaw.
Ano ba siligan?
Sinigang, yes. How do you know sinigang?
Pinulang
yeah.
manok.
Yes, tas with malunggay to lower down cholesterol. Okay, but presentation-wise is very good. It's very nice.
Thank you.
It looks very Arabic, not so Filipino, right? But that's. Thanks, Rhea. Okay.